All right, today we're going to take a tour of a tool that's designed to solve one of the biggest headaches of remote work. You know what I'm talking about? That mountain of information that gets lost in all those back-to-back video calls. The tool is called Fathom, and we're going to do a quick run-through of exactly how it works. So let me ask you this. Have you ever been in this situation? You walk out of an hour-long meeting, it felt really productive, but then 5 minutes later, someone asks you about a key decision or an action item, and your mind is just a total blank? Yeah, it's a super common, super frustrating problem in our world of nonstop video calls. And this really brings us to our first topic, what I like to call the meeting after the meeting. That's where we're all left scrambling, trying to piece together what actually happened from our messy notes and foggy memories. I mean, think about those classic meeting anxieties. That awkward pause when someone asks, who's taking notes? Or maybe a week later, you're spending half an hour just scrubbing through a recording, trying to find that one specific thing someone said. It's a huge waste of time. So here's the fundamental conflict, right? You're stuck in this battle. You're either fully present in the conversation, adding your ideas and connecting with people, or you've got your head down, just frantically typing, trying to capture every single word. You can't really do both well at the same time. It's almost impossible. So, what's the way out of this? Well, that brings us right to our next section, introducing Fathom. Think of it as your own personal AI meeting assistant. At its heart, what Fathom does is pretty simple. It takes all that administrative busy work off your plate. It records, it transcribes, and it summarizes your meetings for you, which frees you up to, actually focus on the conversation. A really good way to think about it is like a smart assistant whose only job is to take the notes for you. That way, you never miss a single important detail and you don't have to type a thing. Okay, so that sounds great in theory, but how does it actually work? Let's take a quick guided tour. I promise it's super straightforward and really just breaks down into 3 simple steps. So here's the whole workflow at a glance. First, you record and transcribe. Then you highlight and summarize. And finally, you share and sync. Let's dig into what each of those actually means. So it all starts right here. When your meeting begins, Fathom just joins the call, kind of like another person. And from the moment that meeting starts, it's generating a live transcript of everything being said in real time. It even knows who's talking, so you have this perfectly clean, organized record of the entire chat. Yeah, this is the part where you get involved. A little. As the conversation is happening, you'll see a small Fathom window. Whenever something important comes up, like a decision gets made or an action item is assigned, you just click a button. You're not typing, you're not writing anything down, you're just clicking to tell the AI, hey, this part's important. So what happens when you click that button? Well, that's where the magic of AI-powered summaries kicks in. Fathom doesn't just snip out a little audio clip. No, it uses its AI to actually understand the context of what was just said, and it generates a perfect, clean summary of that moment. It's smart enough to pull out the key topics, the action items, and the decisions all on its own. And finally, we get to the end. The meeting's over, now what? Well, Fathom automatically pulls all those moments you highlighted into one beautiful set of notes. From there, you can share it with your team in a click, or, and this is my favorite part, you can sync those action items directly to tools you already use, like Slack or Asana. No more copying and pasting. So, we've walked through the how, but let's talk about the why. Why does this actually change things? Because this isn't just about saving a few minutes here and there, it's a major shift from doing manual labor to using automated intelligence. Let's just put them side by side for a second. The old way? Taking notes is manual and super distracting. With Fathom, it's automatic and complete. Trying to remember what was said relies on your memory, which we all know isn't perfect. The Fathom way gives you a searchable transcript. Writing summaries takes forever. Now they're instant. It's a complete upgrade across the board. And if you're wondering where you're really going to get your time back, well, the numbers are pretty clear. Almost half of your time savings comes from not having to write those long summary emails anymore. About a third comes from never having to rewatch a recording. And the rest is from not having to chase people down to clarify what they were supposed to do. So what does this all add up to? Well, it solves the exact problems we talked about at the beginning. You get to be more focused in your meetings, you have perfect recall of every detail, which means fewer misunderstandings, and you get faster follow-ups, which leads to better team alignment. Simply put, stuff actually gets done. Ultimately, when you boil it all down, a tool like this lets you make a really crucial shift in your role. You stop being the team's designated archivist, frantically trying to document the present, and you get to become a fully active participant, actually shaping the conversation. So I'll leave you with this one question to think about. If every single important conversation, every decision, every action item from your meetings was perfectly captured and instantly available, what would that unlock for you? What could you and your team accomplish then?